A government official just flipped the script on what politicians are supposed to be doing. And it came from someone you might not expect. So what exactly did he mean? At kung totoo ba yan, Sandro Marcos, House Majority Leader, oo, yung Marcos, was asked what support his dad, the president, needs from the public. Hindi siya nag-ask ng boto o pabor. Instead, he said, we shouldn't be asking of the people. The people should be asking of us. Sandali lang. So the government serves the people. Hindi pala tayo nagmamakaawa sa kanila. That flips the usual narrative. Kasi, let's be honest, we're used to politicians asking us for patience, for loyalty, for another chance. Pero dito, sinabi niya na trabaho nila ang manguna, hindi tayo ang magbeg. His exact words, kailangan nating ipakita. We need to show, though we never got to hear what exactly they need to show. Kung yan ang standard, hold them to it. If you want to keep tracking whether they actually deliver, subscribe, we're watching so you don't have to. Because the people should be asking of us only works if the people actually ask.